what? Yeah, Santa Buzz is back. That's right, I'm back with the 2018 special show over here. And guess what? We're right now, we're big traveling from the North Pole. We're traveling from the North Pole, and of course we got lost because he was too high, you know. I mean, ever since they legalized weed, my reindeers and my evil elves, my special ed elves, all been f***ing high. They're all been stoned. Sure.
Boys and girls, I'm Mr. Ginch. I conspired with Santa Buzz's elves to turn on him.
You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch.
The mood is right, the spirit's up. We're here tonight, and that's enough. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. That's the way I like it. When you take me by the hand, tell me you love it, man. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. At the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. That's the way I like it. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. That's the way I like it. When you take me by the hand. We're simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time.
Yeah, you know what? I got an impersonation. I'm gonna impersonate Gilbert Gottfried. Okay, here's my impersonation. Hi, everybody. I'm Gilbert Gottfried.